car. Yay! Our car used 20 driving teeth, or a driving gear with 20 teeth, and a driven gear that had 40 teeth. There's one driven gear attached to the axle, and the other driving gear is attached to the motor. The motor is placed so that the driving gear is able to move the driven gear without any problems. That's a model of how the teeth would look, or does look like. The motor is able to work in two ways. First way is using a battery that is attached to the motor that rotates the driving gear, and the other one is a solar panel. Both are attached using alligator clips.
How a solar panel works. Solar energy is energy that comes from the sun. The sun's sunlight is used and turned into renewable natural electricity, or converted to heat upon using solar panels. How is sunlight harnessed? Sunlight is electromagnetic energy, meaning radiant energy that moves in waves of light. In order to power lots of homes, cities, etc., we would need a bigger setup for solar panels to cover up space. How is energy that has been connected used? During the morning, when the sun is out, electromagnetic energy is in the process of being absorbed by the solar panels. First, collected energy is directed, then becomes electric or AC. In order to fully understand the placement of where the solar panel shall be placed, we would have to know how much insolation the solar panel will get at different angles. In order to get the perfect spot, we will need to place the panel farther from the equator.
How solar panels work. Fast facts. The U.S. gets about 60 to 80% of its energy from fossil fuels and only around 3% of its energy from solar. The world's largest solar farm is in Arab Emirates, which houses almost 4 million solar panels that can power up to 200,000 homes. An advantage is that solar energy is a renewable source of energy. A disadvantage is that solar energy heavily depends on the weather.
Designs and plans. For the design, we decided to make our solar car backyard themed. We added palm trees, which were made from cardboard and green paper. We outlined some cardboard for the tree trunk and cut it out. For the leaves of the tree, we used the green paper, outlined it, and cut it out. We added another layer of leaves to make it more realistic. We also replaced the base of the solar panel with the tree house, giving it a more backyard look. We are also planning to add fences. We're also making our tree house using cups, cardboard, and a ball.
I'll get it! Yes, baby girl. See nothing.
Nothing? Okay.
Someone